In this video, I am going to show you how to log in to your Monzo account. Logging into your Monzo account is simple and secure. I'll show you on how to log in quickly. Firstly, launch the Monzo app on your phone. On the login screen, enter the email address you used to sign up for Monzo. Next, Monzo will send you a magic link via email. Open your email app and find the email from Monzo. Tap the magic link in the email to log in instantly. The app will open and you'll be logged into your account. If you're using a new device, you might need to verify your identity with a selfie or code sent to your phone. Just remember to keep your email and phone number updated in case you need to recover access to your account. And that's it. You're now logged into your Monzo account. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.